Hi, I'm Anya, and I'm excited to take you on a journey through Dearborn, the gem next door, and give you a guide on all things food, culture, and the people that make this place unforgettable. Our first stop is Al Tayyib, located in the east end of Dearborn, just 15 minutes away from downtown Detroit. If you're craving a classic Middle Eastern breakfast, get ready for a true culinary journey. From warm, hearty food to perfectly crispy falafel, every dish is rich in flavor and tradition. All made with the freshest, high quality ingredients. The place is always packed with locals gathering for a shared meal among family and friends. You can truly taste the quality in every bite. The next stop is lunch, and the perfect place for that is Amo Sami's, one of Dearborn's top shawarma spots, located inside the canteen and slow cooked as it spins. The outer layers are shaved off as they cook, resulting in a juicy, flavorful, slightly crispy meat. It's typically served in a warm pita and topped with garlic sauce, tahini, pickles, tomatoes, onions, and sometimes even fries. I had the chance to chat with the owner, Amo Sami himself. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. Very excited.
So what's your name?
Sami Riyad Muhammad Khalil Amtu Raishuni, known as Amo Sami.
The best shawarma in Michigan, undisputed. So what made you want to bring shawarma to Dearborn? Not that it was not already here, but why Dearborn? Why shawarma?
Well, Dearborn is the community that loves food, right? So we want to offer good food as well. Not to take away from any restaurants, they offer great shawarmas. But our shawarma was a little bit unique, which is called Sami style. We brushed the bread with their seasoning, we coat it, toast it on the grill, toasted to perfection. Really good. Extra toom, extra kabis is a must.
And then you put it on the top too, right?
That's it. We call it a tarbouche. Magically delicious. On top.
It's dinner time and we're hungry. The perfect elevated restaurant in Dearborn is Mint29. Loved and frequented by many locals and visitors. Mint29 is where history meets flavor. Once a federal mint, this 1929 building now serves up fusion cuisine in a space filled with character. You'll find a casually elegant vibe and unforgettable dishes. Think perfectly seared steaks, fresh seafood, and handcrafted drinks. Come see why it's one of Dearborn's best restaurants. After dinner, head next door to Kahwa House, the cornerstone of Dearborn's vibrant coffee culture, serving up traditional Yemeni drinks and slow roasted beans straight from their in-house roaster. We'll hear directly from Ibrahim, the founder of Kahwa House, as he shares his journey and the mission behind this iconic space. So why did you choose Dearborn?
Dearborn is first, I feel like home when I'm in Dearborn. I was in New York. I moved to Michigan in 2016 to Dearborn. So I was in big city. When I moved to Dearborn, I felt like I'm really home. I feel like home. I know everyone. You can meet different kind of people every day, and you feel they are part of your family. So Dearborn has very special mix. Has very special environment. Actually, that's why I love to be in Dearborn and stay in Dearborn. And when I find how the people here in Dearborn together, I said this is the best place to start Kahwa House.
Yeah, absolutely. And I definitely echo that sentiment. I definitely feel at home when I'm here. I love the people. They really make up the community. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, for having us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. And thank you so much again for coming. And I'll see you soon.
Thank you so much. Our last stop is dessert. Abu Kunafa brings traditional Palestinian kunafa in the heart of Dearborn. Crisp, golden layers, rich cheeses, and sweet, fragrant syrup made fresh daily. A beloved dessert that tells a story with every bite. Thank you for watching Dearborn, the gem next door. Let us know in the comments when you're in Dearborn. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're craving more, dive into the full story on our blog for an in-depth read. See you next time.